Sequencer. Before going any further, let's make sure we remove the rules we've created. And let's move on to the Sequencer tab. The Sequencer functionality analyzes tokens and shows the entropy or randomness of a dataset. We need to have a decent amount of tokens to get the best out of it. You would probably do with 1,000, but you should do like 10, 15,000 or whatever you can. You should get as many as possible without stressing out the application too much. Burp can collect the tokens for us. Like we're already used to, we can send a request to the Sequencer tab from other parts of Burp. I'm going to search for an adequate request in my history. This request sets a session cookie. We can use this value for the purpose of our test. Just select the request, open the context menu and click Send to Sequencer. Returning to the Sequencer tab, we can see the request appeared in this list. Moving on to the next section, note that Burp automatically extracted the value we are interested in from the response. We can adjust this as desired. In the next section, we can adjust some performance parameters like number of threads and request throttling. The Analysis Options subtab contains configuration options for token padding and the type of analysis to perform. Let's return to live capture and start harvesting tokens. I'm just going to click Start Live Capture and Burp will do the rest. We have 16,000 tokens, so let's stop capture and do the analysis by clicking the corresponding buttons. And the analysis says that we have excellent entropy in the current sample, 213 bits at a significance level of 1%. We see here a summary of the findings and a nice bar chart of the entropy at different percentiles. If we scroll a bit more, we'll see a note on the reliability of the analysis judged by the sample size. And that's it for the Sequencer tab.